welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to get those eyebrows fleeky, salon style, but at home in one easy, simple step. And yes, to comment, you guys, your girl really messed my face up. See, when somebody tells you not to do something that they've already been through and it didn't go well for them, listen, because y'all, I'ma just state it right now because I know you guys will be asking in the comments why my cheeks are, a little irritated. My dumbass decided that I needed to exfoliate my skin and asked my brother if you think you can use a pumice stone on your face.
You're not stupid, Karen. No, I am actually.
He told me no because he had recently did it and that it irritated his skin and he messed himself up. The dumbest that I am decides to do it anyways in the shower, which I thought it was barely not gonna do nothing. I just then did the other side, and then this is what I'm left with. So yeah, I just wanted to state that before we got into our video. Okay, so today the product we're going to be using is the Gold Foil Tint Kit in medium brown, or whatever shade best suits you. It comes with a developer, a plastic mixing bowl, the capsules of the color, directions, an angled brush, and you'll need a measuring cup that measures out 1/4 for the developer. So you're going to take one capsule, empty it into a plastic mixing bowl. The one that came with it works best. And then you're going to take that 1/4 of developer. And this is the reason why you need a towel, because you will definitely make a mess like me if you're not careful. Then you're going to need a mixing tool. I just used the end of my angle brush and just mixed it until it was a creamy consistency. Mix. So as my face is already moisturized, I'm not going to be doing anything except my brows today. So first we're going to start off with cleaning your eyebrows with some alcohol to get off any oil, makeup residue that you may have had on from earlier in the day. You don't need much. Just wipe it clean. Which I don't have any makeup on there. I have nothing on there but oil for me moisturizing my face. I guess you want to make sure that those brows are clean. And yes, my eyebrows are already shaped up how I pretty much want them to be, so I don't have to do that step. The next step that we're going to go to is concealing under the eyebrows to get them sharp and as precise as you want them for your shape. Just pretty much creates an outline and a barrier for you to know where not to put the dye. Some people use Vaseline. Personally, I like to use concealer because it just makes it sharp and literally looks like you got them done at the salon. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 330. You don't need much. You just want to outline. And no, it does not have to be perfect. I really never do the top, but I'm gonna do the top today. I have like really thick eyebrows, if you guys can't tell already. I don't like them thin, I like them thick. So I just keep them as thick as they are pretty much. I clean up the hairs to create an arch. This is a lot of concealer, but it doesn't really matter. as long as you get the shape that you desire. You'll see that pretty much the shape's already there. And next we're going to do it to the other eye. Okay, so you want to conceal that bottom brow. Make sure you do the top until they meet each other perfectly. So now that we have shaped our eyebrows into our desired shape, it's time for the tinting process. And I promise you ladies or guys, whoever's here, that this is easy peasy smeezy. Like literally anybody, and I mean anybody, can do this. We're going to take an angled brush and the mixture that we made earlier. You're going to slightly dab it in there, not too much. And we're going to start on the outer part of your eye because that's pretty much where we want the darkest to fill in. That seems to be everybody's area that's a little bit scarce and empty. So we're going to start with that with light strokes. And we will be doing this in layers. Just light little strokes. Okay guys, so my phone accidentally died, but I'm back and we're gonna do this one eyebrow at a time since my phone pretty much messed everything up. But yes, so if you guys can tell that it's pretty much different, I've already done 2 layers. I'm gonna do one more. I don't really like putting it heavy in the front because I don't, you know, want to look like Helga. So let's do this last layer. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Some people only like to leave it on for like 5 minutes. If you want it to last longer, for pretty much up to a week, I would leave it on to 15 minutes tops. So I'm gonna, you know, let this sit and then we'll get back and come do the other brow. Okay guys, so it's been pretty much 15 minutes, if not at least 13. And so what we're gonna do is take a baby wipe. If you don't have a baby wipe, you can use like a wet paper towel, and you're just gonna literally wipe the product away. Like, do y'all see this difference? Are you kidding me? Now, what I can say is that I might go in there and put a little more right there while I'm doing this one, but I'll do it last after I fill this one in. So we're gonna do how we did the last eye and start from the outer part and work our way in. We want this part to be darker than this, especially if you like that faded and natural brow look. So start off over here. So like I said, you want to start on the outer part of your eyebrow. Work your way in with light strokes. And let that product build up because we will be doing this in 3 layers. You want to put it lightly in the front part of your eyebrow until you pretty much get to that 3rd layer. So this is the 2nd layer. That product build up. Make sure you do the light strokes in the front. And build that product up on the end of your eyebrows so you don't make the mistake of how I did on my first brow.
building that product up. And don't nobody know what I was running my mouth about, to be honest. And like I said, I'm going to go back in on my first eyebrow and put more product on the ending so it can be darker, as I'm doing with the same. Pretty much just do it until you feel like it's the color that you want.
Okay, now that I have finished tinting this eyebrow, we're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes like we did the first one. Wait for the results. Okay, y'all, I'm back and it's been about 15 minutes. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did to this first eyebrow. And we're just gonna take that baby wipe and get to wiping away. This is like sorcery. Like your girl got some brows. I already had some brows, but a girl got brows. Okay. Who gotta feel they shit in? Me? No. I'm gonna brush them to show y'all that it ain't going nowhere. I love these results. Oh my god. Like, not going nowhere, okay? When your man wants to try you, you know, and he be like, that's why I'm gonna wipe your eyebrows off. Baby boy, these ain't going nowhere. I mean, nowhere. You're gonna have to do a whole lot of scrubbing to get these brows off. But yeah, I hope you guys liked watching this tutorial. If you want to see me do it again the next time and actually filling them in and doing a whole fucking makeup look with it, let me know. Put it in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe.